How to fix Instagram app not updating to latest version. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue that many Instagram users face. Instagram not updating to the latest version. If you're having trouble getting the latest updates or if the Instagram update isn't showing up on your device, don't worry, I've got you covered with some easy solutions. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak, the update might not show up properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data and vice versa to see if it helps. Now let's go directly to the App Store or Google Play Store to check for the update manually. On your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram. Now if there's an update available, you'll see an update button next to it. Tap on it to install the latest version. If you don't see the update button and Instagram is up to date, try refreshing the page by swiping down or restarting the App Store. Now if you're using an Android device and the update still isn't showing up, clearing the app cache and data can help. Simply go to your settings and apps. Then after that, simply find Instagram. Tap on storage, then hit clear cache and clear data. Once you've done that, open the Google Play Store again and try updating Instagram. Now if you still can't see the update, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix issues with app updates and not appearing. Now none of the steps work, then as a last resort you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. This will remove any corrupted files that might be stopping the update. And that's it. These are the best way to fix the issue of Instagram not updating to the latest version.